In the next few minutes, we would like to introduce you to Eco Cleaning, the first complete system designed to optimize manual processes in maintenance cleaning. With Eco Cleaning, you can offer your clients more services of a higher quality using fewer staff. The Eco Cleaning concept is based on the process-oriented deployment of 3 specialized teams coordinated by a facility manager: the Eco Firstliners, the Eco Cleanliner, and the Eco Powerliner. Their work procedures and working times are recorded via a scanner. The procedures can be shown on the web and are accessible everywhere. To ensure that you can offer your clients more services and more quality and simultaneously boost your earnings, it is important to include the degree of soiling of the facility in your calculation and to organize your processes accordingly. The visible degree of soiling determines how the client perceives your service. Generally speaking, only 6 to 8% of an office area is visible dirty. This soiling must be removed daily, while dusts, which settle, can well be cleaned at certain intervals. Most of the total area of a facility, that's to say offices, corridors and conference rooms, is cleaned by Eco Firstliners. The Eco Firstliners perform result-orientated cleaning in their area. They log themselves on by scanning a barcode in the door frame as they enter a room. All times and services are thus allocated on a room basis. Cleaning is carried out in 3 steps. The condition of a room is first assessed visually. Waste paper bins are emptied. Dirty areas are cleaned. The quality of the service is checked once again on leaving the room. If the soiling is too heavy for the equipment on the Eco Firstliner, or if cleaning would take too long, he or she hands over the room to another team. Experience has shown that the Eco Firstliner hands over only about 1 to 2% of rooms. In order to ensure that a high level of cleaning efficiency can be attained with the Eco Firstliner, it uses a small and highly maneuverable cart which carries only the equipment necessary for versatile and fast cleaning. The Eco Cleanliner cleans its hard surface areas completely in accordance with hygiene stipulations. Such areas include washrooms, WCs, kitchens, community rooms and stairs. They also log themselves on by scanning a barcode so that their services and times can be allocated. They are equipped with a wet system card. The use of preconditioning and consistent color coding system guarantees the highest standards of hygiene and quality. The focus of the Kärcher-developed equipment is on ergonomics and environment-friendly cleaning without wasting resources. The Eco Powerliner cleans all areas of the facility at regular intervals in order to maintain the value of the building. In addition, it cleans all other surfaces, such as lifts, and is responsible for specialized cleaning tasks such as removing stains. The Eco Powerliners have a wide choice of machines for such tasks, which are employed as and when required. Eco Manager is the software for efficiently recording, managing and monitoring facilities, rooms, equipment and services. Precise recording of working times, facility manager jobs, facility management and customer complaints are only some of the features offered by Eco Manager. Like jigsaw puzzle, the Eco Cleaning concept consists of many pieces, each of which has its own benefit. You divide your work into units. You work more efficiently. You have specialized equipment. You achieve greater customer loyalty. You accurately record all relevant data. Your costs are reduced. You achieve better cleaning quality. Your facility managers can acquire all the necessary know-how for Eco Cleaning at our Eco Cleaning Academy. You too can also optimize your cleaning procedures. Become a Kärcher Eco Cleaning partner. Visit us at www.ecocleaning.net.